Stock traders cannot be in survival mode. They have to be in growth mode. Otherwise, they won't able to bear the risk. As a trader, you need to be focused, not stubborn. It is always easier to make $1,000 than to save $1,000. The sooner you understand, the better your life will be. Investments and tradings are not for emotional people. Take your happiness and peace of mind very seriously when you are trading or investing in stock market. It is a very rare thing that traders live up to their expectations. Get real. Dividend stocks are one of the easiest way to make a passive income through stock market. Stock market is a place where everyone comes with some money to snatch the money from other traders. That is the marketplace. The main advantage with passive income is that you have control over your time, and that is the best thing. If you earn money while you are sleeping, then you are on the path of financial freedom. Start investing so that your passive income starts paying your EMIs. Trading is a very easy thing for those who have learned the hard way. You should have multiple sources of income to live your dream life. Great return come when you have patience in your life and with your investments. It is never too late to invest. Keep investing and keep improving your strategies in investments. One factor that differentiates good traders from bad traders is good traders don't overtrade. There is nothing wrong if you admire money. One good quote I read about money, and that is very true, and I really want to tell you that money is a good friend. It doesn't care about your caste, religion, color, height, weight, and your looks. If money is with you, trust me, you are in a good company. Anyone who understands money and its power will understand the relationship with people very well. Traders don't make money with good strategies. Traders make money with good attitude towards the market. Impulsive trading never helps. Never be afraid to take leverage on the right assets. Good thing about investment is there's always an opportunity at every point of time. Lack of financial stability in your life reveals many problems in your relationships. When market shows no sign of fear, it's the best time to hedge your bets. At early stage of your life, buy assets, not liabilities. If you are investing for long term, then trend and price doesn't matter. Price and value are two different things in stock market. If you know the difference, then you will surely make the money. In life, you are more stronger than you think, but in stock market, you are more idiot than you think. In investment or trading, understanding risk is most important than understanding any strategy to earn the money. Don't be afraid of investing. Be afraid of spending without earning any income. Trading is risky only when you don't learn from your mistakes. Covered call strategies work best with low beta stocks. Don't sleep on the power of knowing how to make money. Start investing. It is always easy to make money in backtesting and paper trades. When you trade with the real money, then your psychology and your risk management plays the real role. If you are investing for long term, then stop looking for short term gains.